So in this video we will see the hardware explanation. So you'll have a 16x2 LCD, ARUDINO UNO, push button, red LED and green LED. This is just a power extension module. Just we have distributed power to all other modules using this PCB. And you will have a buzzer, the black color one, servo motor, ESP32 cam, ultrasonic sensor and wireless temperature sensor. Okay, so you have to arrange like this for your module. Take a box of the biggest size and arrange in this way according to your requirement. Now you will have totally two cables of connection. One will be the ARUDINO cable and another one will be the your ESP32 cam. So for ESP32 cam and ARUDINO cable, you can directly connect to the power supply adapter, which will give it to you and plug it into the socket. So first you have to connect only your Wi-Fi ESP32 cam power supply cable, power it up, and after a few minutes when the network is connected, then connect the ARUDINO cable. That's because the ESP32 cam will take time to get the IP address. So before powering it up, you have to turn on your mobile phone 4G and as well as hotspot. So in the hotspot, you have to change the settings like name project and the password project 1234. So this is mandatory before powering up your board. So remember, you have to turn on your mobile phone 4G and as well as mobile phone hotspot and turn on the ESP32 cam. So after turning the ESP32 cam, the device will be connected to your mobile phone hotspot and it will show one device. Currently it is connected to my Wi-Fi and it will show you one device is connected. Okay. Some phones will also show the IP address, but however we are retrieving the IP address in the ARUDINO. So after you first connect the ESP32, before connecting the ESP32 cam power, you have to turn on your mobile phone 4G and turn on your mobile phone hotspot and change the hotspot settings to small letters. Remember, all small letters including the P, project 1234, cross check twice and then power up the ESP32 cam. So after powering at the ESP32 cam, it is connected to your mobile phone hotspot. Then power up your ARUDINO UNO board cable, plug in into the power adapter and connect to this particular slot. Here nothing to be connected. The cable is already attached, so you can directly connect to the power supply. And thereafter now I am plugging in the ARUDINO cable at this slot. So as you connect it, the system will show you the face mask detection. The gate will be moved into the closed state and it will show you the distance. So in order to scan this thing, the person has to stand between the 30 to 60 centimeters. Okay, so just it has scanned. I will go a little bit far away. Scanning the mask. Mask can take time because we are using the very slow ESP32 cam. I will connect this part here. So what I will do is I will restart the application. So whenever the application is restarted, I will go a little bit far. Face mask and temperature and gate control system will show you the distance and you will get the camera IP address. So you have to type, you have to be in the same mobile network to another phone also, or in the same phone you can type that particular IP address and you can see the video. Okay, so you can see the mobile phone video here and the system current distance is 357 and the system is asking to stand between 30 to 60 centimeters. So after standing between 30 to 60 centimeters, that is, I am just moving front towards the ultrasonic sensor. So I came in front of the system. So as I came in front of the system will see the data scanned. Now I came in front of the system, it has detected me, then it will go to the scan mode, and we have to keep our finger at the temperature sensor. It has given us 34.6. Now the scanning mask is done, the mask scanning is done. Now I am not wearing any mask, so the system will detect that I am not wearing mask, no mask, not allowed. Okay, and red LED will be glow, and system goes to the initial stage and it keeps on calculating. Again I'm between 30 to 60 centimeters. Now I'm keeping the temperature here. You have to keep your temperature, you just fix it hardly. Now the temperature is 45. I have just pressed it. Okay. If you keep your finger very close, it will give you high temperature, else it will give you low temperature. I'm standing in front of the thing. Temperature is 28.6. Scanning the mask. I am not wearing the mask, so no mask, not allowed. Let's test with mask. Okay, I have wearing the mask. Now coming in front of the system, the distance blocking the system's centimeters. Near to the system will ask to scan the temperature sensor. Keep your hand near the temperature sensor, it will give you some value, the exact value. It is scanning the mask. So I wear mask, the opening door is open, it will show you green. Now wait for 2 seconds, the door will be closed, the person will go off, and it will select for the any other distance. I will show you again. I am coming in front of the system. Distance is 37 centimeters. Scan mode. Keep head or hand. We are keeping your hand at the temperature sensor. 39.7. High temperature greater than 39. It will show you high. It's better. Again I am coming in front of the system. It will go to scan mode. Okay. I am keeping my head near the system. Temperature, it calculated 28.3. Now it checks for the mask. As I am moving very frequently to take the camera position, now it has detected the mask. Opening door, the gate is closed, green light. So this is the operation of your project.